One point that struck me yesterday, and I think there's been a lot of talk around this, I think internet today is no longer a luxury. Internet is something that every citizen today, every citizen in the country today would want to enjoy. And it's not about entertainment. I think it transcends the space of entertainment to economic utility and a lot more facilities that we as people in the country can enjoy. And I think the mobile has been one of the key areas that have been helping to push internet. A lot of work has been happening in this space, and this is one more initiative that you're bringing to the table. We are very proud to be associated with the government to bring this to the fore, and like the minister said, it's just the starting point, and the scope of the project is large, and I think in due course of time we would see this expand. So we've started off with Internet for all. That's the driving force behind the whole agenda. So I think we've tried to do this as the first Internet for all pilot, which is being powered by the network that we have in the city today. We've launched it as a pilot in 17 hotspots. What do we mean by 17 locations is that in and around these 17 locations, people can access internet not just through the mobile, but also through multiple devices that they have. This is not just a mobile technology, this is actually Wi-Fi being brought to the core, which uses the infrastructure that we've had across the city. As a starting point, we're giving free usage to the consumers for a small period of time to test how consumers are using these and how the utilization patterns can emerge. It is carrier agnostic. When we say that it's not limited only to Airtel users, you can have multiple users across different service providers, across different devices who can use it. The only key thing is that to use this service, they will need a password which needs to be SMS to them on a mobile phone. So the mobile phone can be any carrier mobile phone. When they receive the password, they would be able to use it across multiple devices. It could be their mobile, it could be their laptops, it could be iPads and multiple devices on the go. And it is beyond just the mobile devices alone. I think just to mention, I think the technology that we're using here is just not restricted to the mobile technology. It's a cross of fiber. The fiber that we've laid across the city that helps us bring in high speeds to the city. And on top of that, we've actually overlaid the Wi-Fi technology, which works on a different frequency. The key is, I think it enables us therefore to extend it to a large segment of the citizens. To start with, we are looking at people using them, giving us feedback, and then as the minister said, I think it's a larger project that we would like to partner with the government at a later stage of time.